heart out, mate. Ha! I wouldn't have made it. Ridiculous. How do you cut that out? Alright, we made it onto another spot that looks heavily weeded out. We're going to try and send over the top. Still got that old line, so I don't mind risking it for the biscuit net. No, that doesn't work. Alright, setup time. Alright, we're looking good. Looks pretty decent. See how we do it. Might be the last one on this line. Perfect send. Doesn't like that old line anymore, that's for sure. So we might be switching up to the other rod. Mint. Definitely holding ground. I reckon there's some hungry buggers around. That's what we want, just the line really high in the water. The rod tip just bent because of the grapnel sinker grabbing ground. Just be heaps of little guys around at the moment. Hoping that improves. But recon day, mate. Alright, first one's coming in. We might get the old overhead out next. Got everything back. It's a bit snaggy. Bait got flogged. So, don't know if we'll send to that spot or another one. Get the big beast out now. Those are looking pretty sweet. Alright, drop two with the new Magoo. Well, staying out there fine then, so that's not too bad. Happy with that. So we've got two out so far. Wonder if we do a long send or not. All we need is a nibble now. Like little bites. Something was nibbling on that one. Didn't rip it away, so it might just be small stuff out there. We've got to think of the next plan. Oh! Yes, please. Oh! We're on! Yes! Let's go! Ah! This feels good! Ah! Has he pulled us into a snag? Hope not. Ah, he might have. He's fighting well. How are we going to get this guy in? The line is tight, mate. Still feel him on there. Oh. Not getting him back. Oh. Do you need that belt? Gonna have to go lock so I can pull him out. Yeah, we're stuck there. I'll have to let some line out. Let him get out. Pretty cool. Oh, he might be coming out. Can I get him out? Ah. Get him out. Yes. Free heap of seaweed. Oh man. Woo. Let's go have a look. You beauty. Absolutely stoked. Look at you, little man. You weren't hooked in very hard, were you? Whew. That's a ripper, little one. We'll size him up in a sec. Yeah. $53. Happy for that. Awesome. Got everything back. Woo! Well, pretty stoked with that, man. Got the electric another roll. The electric's come through again. So now I've got to decide whether I want to send it to the same spot or not. I reckon yes, and then we plan. So we're not wasting time. Wind's coming up now. Not much else we can do there. Come out another time when it's not so rough. That's not a bad day. Still fillets.